In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on TC2000. Now to do this, first you want to enable drawing tools. You could do this by either clicking up here, top right of your chart, where you can see this kind of drawing toolbar color palette. So you want to click on that and it's going to show over here on the right. Or you could go to tools, top left and click on drawing tools and it's going to open them up like this over here as a separate window, okay? So whenever you've done either of these, you can just select whichever drawing tool you want. For example, I'm going to pick the trend line right now, and you can of course go ahead and click and drag it out and you'll be able to draw that way, okay? Again, they have a bunch of different things here. They have the option to move around, to pan the chart, to erase, and then you have things like trend lines. You have text over here as well. Then you have Fibonacci arcs over here. So if you want to use some of these, you might have to upgrade to a different version. For me, as you can see, I actually don't have the upgraded version of TC2000. That's why I can't use this. But of course, some of these are still going to be available for you, okay? Especially the kind of the basic ones over here, okay? But that's essentially how to draw on TC2000. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.